Hello friends, today we will see how to set up a pop-up on a button or on a click on a divi website. Let's log into our WordPress. Before logging to our WordPress, let me show you what we are going to achieve from this tutorial. So this is a website of a digital marketing agency. When someone click on this button, get a free consultancy, a pop-up comes. So today we will see how to get this kind of pop-up on your website. Let's log into our WordPress uh, dashboard and see how it happens. So in my case, I have my Ganga learning, the tutorial website. We will log into that. So it is a very handy plugin and very easy to use plugin, and with a few clicks and with a few clicks of setting you can achieve. And it is a completely free plugin, and you do not need to buy any kind of fancy plugins like divi overlay kind of thing. It is a completely free plugin. So let's see what is that plugin name. So in plugin section, just type db popup for divi. So this is the plugin, and as you can see 20,000 plus people has downloaded and 4-star and I personally using this plugin for last 2 to 3 years, and it is quite a good plugin. And the developer, this divi mode, gives a regular update, and they are always enhancing their plugins and features. They are integrating new feature in their in this plugin. When I have installed this plugin, that time it was a very basic, in that you need to use a kind of section and then custom code. So but now they have now they have integrated their setting to the divi control setting module itself. So let me show you how it works. So first of all, install this plugin, and there is no need to configure this thing. Just you need to install this plugin, and then you have to just activate. Rest of the thing you can do from the visual builder itself, because because in the latest update they have integrated their settings to their visual builder editor itself. So activate it. So let me just create a new page, and let me give it pop-up and now use divi builder. So what we need to do is, like, we need to add a section and add a module of contact us. Okay, and just add the module and copy it. I need to add one more module, that is font. Change the title font, and let's make it to the full width and give a title to it. Give title to it, contact us. Okay, and just enable, save it, and we need this captcha, so leave it as it is, save it. And now, so how does this pop-up plugin work? It actually works on the sections only. So you can't, you can't get that option on the row setting or on a module setting. The settings, the pop-up setting, you will get on the section only. So just click on the settings on the section setting, and now you can see they have added a pop-up settings on the section settings. So just click on that, and just click on yes and give it a class ID over here, contact. Okay, and just leave it. So now you can see this has been created a pop-up. Now what we will do is like we will add one more section, and just for a reference we will take as a new button and align this button to this, and just let me design this plugin button quickly to red, and it's quite okay. Just give it a red background and change it to the text current white, and rename the button pop-up button. Okay, now what you have to do is like whatever pop-up ID which we have given over here, just copy this ID and now head over to the button section, and where it says link you have to just paste that ID, and in front of that ID you have to just add hashtag over there and save it, and save all the settings. Once you just save that thing, this section of pop-up will be hidden. So let me just show you how this page will look after this saving it. So as you can see that pop-up module, the section has been hidden because that is pop-up. Once you click on this pop-up button, so you will see a pop-up. Okay, and as you can see the background is also transparent, and you can close this thing, and even on your phone device you can see this thing pop-up is very responsive and kind of thing. But if you want to kind of disable this pop-up to your tablet module or a phone module, so what you can do is like head over to the section settings and go to the pop-up, and see there is a behavior like close other pop-ups, and enable exit intent, like someone wants to close it, it will automatically close that thing, and close that thing, and see the close button, the what should be the color, you can change it light, dark, whatever the background is. As we are having a white background, so dark is okay. You can even choose the transparent background, but I don't recommend, but if you want you can use that thing. And then in the layout setting, if you want show loader also, like if pop-up is loading then the loader will be shown, so you can do that thing also. But I think the basic the default feature is also kind of fulfill the all the requirement, but you can always customize your as per your website and as per your need. So now in the visibility section you can hide this section, this pop-up on your mobile and tablet and kind of thing if you want, but I don't want to hide this thing, so let's just move it. So once again let's just check it how it works, and boom, that is your pop-up. So hopefully you have enjoyed this tutorial and like this video. Do subscribe this channel for more tutorials and more divi tips in the few coming days, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.